As a nation, it has come to my attention that people are saying Vybz Kartel is involved in a clash or some lyrical feud. And let me reassure you guys, a nation, nothing could be further from the truth. Yeah? A positivity Vybz Kartel are dealing with right now. Family, business, money, and God. Yeah? No clashing. We have no time for that. Positivity around here. Am I?
Why are you running? Why are you running?
Blood clot, you know, so just start.
Pussy. Every girl ready now for drop every panty. Fly past them Porsche, me Maserati. A Birkin full of cash, no rich, me wealthy. Exercise me gun figure, keep me trigger healthy. I with the blood clot, do Humpty Dumpty.
Welcome back, people, to another episode of Vibes and Insight with Nanda. Hope everybody doing good. So apparently, it looks like Vybz Kartel dismisses Beenie Man's attempt to go a lyrical battle with him one-on-one. I guess it's a new Vybz Kartel, it's a new person that comes out of prison. So another bad Vybz Kartel this no more. Another war angel this no more. We set him at the war angel. Vybz Kartel really change or is a sham him a pull. Because trust me, him in himself knows say to dethrone, to become the king, you have to dethrone the king. And if you go around and shade the previous king and say, oh, you want to take my crown, you have to come show your strength. Now, God's a nation, me never expect this from uno shepherd, as him call a sheep. Me never expect this from the shepherd where I say I my war angel and now Beenie Man want go toe to toe with him. Beenie Man want go lyric to lyric with him. Cause Beenie Man saying if you want my crown you have to come take it, Me are the crown, you say it out of your own mouth, say me are the king of dance hall. So if you want my crown you have to come take it. So now we see that Kartel no want clash again. Him no bother want be the king again. Or him just want. Cause in my eyes, Vybz Kartel want forcefully take the crown, He want forcefully take the crown, but how can you want to forcefully take the crown and no want clash? No. The two are in the same age group. Nobody no older. Nobody no far older than the body. And uno in an era. Uno are the dinosaur them in an era, right? Uno are the grandfather in an era. So and uno too, I said uno a king. So if uno a king, uno go up against one another and see Beenie Man they ready. If you're ready, Kartel you have to step up, man. Step up on the plate. Step up on the podium and start the war, start the clash, a dance, all this. You come say, you focus on money, family, and God. Okay. But yet still, you're on multiple interviews saying, you are the king, and I say, if any other king that they are Burger King, or them can be king crab. Come on now, man. With all the shades, you act like you give one of them popcorn, one of them massacre, you don't want to clash. You just want to stay behind the curtain and shade. No, Beenie Man, step up, brazen and bold. Same ready. No, you need to be ready, Vybz Kartel. You need to be ready. And people, I'm going to play the clip so you can see Vybz Kartel. I say, oh, him not pre no clash. And music, him a pre and family. You in a dance hall, you want the kingship, you have to step up to the plague. If you want the king's crown, you have to push forward, you have to push a foot. You have to, and the king a defend him crown, the previous king a defend him crown. So if you want it, you have to try to take it. How can you say you're king and not trying to dethrone the previous king? How can you claim that you're a king and you're not fight the king, the previous king? Want fight? No. What we get to understand is, from a longer time, dancehall king thing and crown thing, it's not no hard and never day in a game to set the crown thing. A man just come up and say, "True, him do the work, him a king." and Chima do work more than another man who did it, you want to say him a king. You see, if there was an order in whosoever the king for break down and whosoever it come down to, it wouldn't come down to this where Vybz Kartel are going to say, yo, me nah clash. Me and nobody in a clash and way. Me only frightened for see Vybz Kartel 2 days or a couple of days from now. Jump out. So my time when you can't do take them word feet and things say you're right. But then again at the same time the people them make the say, you know, if the people them say, yeah, we want the clash have to go on. Him can't say rare unless people more look on him and say, yo, you run from the clash. I him say the boy run like a wounded dog, you know. So he look like him run like a wounded dog now. He look like him run like a wounded dog now. At first me ever see this, the war angel a back down from. Maybe, you know what the problem? Too much dirt on him name. So if him go engage in a clash right now, Beenie man no need no bag of lyrics for about Kartel. Even though Kartel lyrical, Beenie man just want some lyrics and something for say, to make people laugh off of Vybz Kartel. Remember, so Vybz Kartel just come on road now. You a Beenie man say, Humpty Dumpty. I want a piece of name that the man stick on Kartel now. Right now it's Stinker Road, Humpty Dumpty. No care what, dance all a fun and game. It's just music, competition. And if it day in a game Vybz Kartel and you come and say, yo, you're not engaged in a no clash. No make them say, Beenie man no need no hype from you, Beenie man no need no strength from you. Remember say Vybz Kartel and Beenie man they on the same show in a Germany, in the same summer jam in a July, you know. So Beenie man no need no hype from Vybz Kartel. What me can't understand is people are say Vybz Kartel no need for give, no need for answer Beenie man or give him no clout or whatever. When you need for understand say, remember say Vybz Kartel no have the amount of billboard charting where Beenie man have. Vybz Kartel don't have that. Remember that. So Beenie man a claim him throne and I declare say him a king of dancer because what? Beenie man is international. Beenie man do so much international. Have so much international accolades. Have so much billboard charting. So much billboard charting. So Beenie man say, oh, how can you declare say you're a king and you only dominate the scene locally? You may have a gold and a silver overseas, but me have that too. Me have the Grammy, me have the Mobo. That Beenie man I declare and I tell him, say, oh, how can him say my king when him only dominate the scene locally and have few look recognition overseas? Him not have no much international collab and Beenie man have them on them belt. So Beenie man I say, oh, at this Unagi king. Me I defend my king. Me I defend my throne. So you can't give him no king over me because me have the accolades for sure. Me have the international appearance them for sure. Vybz Kartel never do a very big international show. Beenie man go on stage show internationally regularly. Remember so Vybz Kartel when him got jail 9 and prime him got jail 9 never get to do much as possible, you know. And Vybz Kartel can't dominate a stage show. But Vybz Kartel, one, him don't know for perform. Him don't know for perform. Him have the songs them, yes, and him have the lyrics. I mean, nah, take that from him. Nobody no lyrical like him. But the stage appearance, the international accolades, the Grammys, the Mobo Award, the Billboard charting, Beenie man have all of that on their belt. So Beenie man I declare it and I say I'm a king. I'm have the throne. And we can't take that from Beenie man and say, yo, Beenie man have so much international appearance. We cannot take that from him. We can't take that from him. I just say it go. But it looks like there won't be any clash. To me, it looks like Kartel a run from the clash. I feel like him have too much to lose. But at first, never see this Vybz Kartel him are the man where you need for clash with. You say the all of the young youths, no young youth not up on him level. Him say, you hear what Vybz Kartel say in a him and Brando interview, him say, if you're not up on my level, if you can't show the accolades them, if you can't show me say you have the golds and the silver and the platinum and the numbers them are sure, me and you can't go up together as no clash. Me and you can't in a nothing. So Beenie Man, right contendant, right component for go up together with your Vybz Kartel. And you go tell me, say, you go back down from the clash. Me understand, say, you just come from prison and you want to enjoy your little free time and way. But if you go a preview song and I say, you want to take my crown, make me see how bad you be, you have to show how bad you be. You can't a tote man and a provoke man and I say, oh, Ray, you want my crown, show me what you got and Ray, and then you go back down and say, yo, you're not in a clash. That don't make no sense. Another dance all is what we want. And here is foot of hype. I tell you in mind, I tell you, say, yo, we want the clash. We want the clash. And again, as I say, nobody not there to stop the clash and put it off. The clash can go on. And yeah, honestly speaking, the clash can go big, you know. If the clash go on, there would be so much highlight to this clash. So much media platform are going to push this. It will get more highlight than previous clashes because a two man a fight for the throne. One, I defend it, and one I say, I'm my king now. So,
I like it. Me like it. The warrior look good. Beenie versus Vybz Kartel, me like it. Me want the warrior. Me want the warrior. Me want the warrior. Me want the warrior. That Beenie Kartel warrior go sweet. Kartel me no want hear no excuse cause you have voice song. So you have voice, you can voice song. And you, hey, me tell you no, hey. You see some of them journalists, yeah? Them don't know nothing about the artists, them and music, you know. Me tell them already, so you see, Bounty Killer and Beenie Man, don't trouble them. When you trouble them, prepare for war till thy kingdom come. Prepare for war till thy kingdom come. Them nah allow you. First thing, when Killer and Beenie are warrior, you can't bring no badness in it. No physical thing in it. Cause Killer them and Beenie Man them know every bad man in the world and help every bad man in the world already. And have bad people around them. So who you have around your bad too, it no make a difference. And how Beenie and Bounty them work, anywhere they are sing them a come. Any rhythm you depend them a go pan. You understand? Anywhere. Anywhere. So right now, at the right war this.
Old era and newer era, a dancehall. We need to see it, we want to see it. Just make me know what you think in the comment section. You know, tell me if you don't want to see the clash, because I want to see it, you know. Make dancehall nice again. A long time we don't get a real experience clash. And we need something like that. Continue the genre, man. Continue the clash culture. You can't just dead it. Let me know what you think in the comment section. You know it go already, man. A Vybz and Insight with Nanda. Mad thing. I'm out.